Solve algebraic equations. We have series of equations here which have fractions in them, and the strategy to solve them is to find the lowest common multiple and then multiply both sides by the lowest common multiple. That is the strategy which we are following at present, right? Now, when we have more than two numbers, it may be difficult to find lowest common multiple. So one of the ways to do it is this process of dividing them simultaneously. So I'll show you this process. I have described this in one of my videos. So we have three denominators here which are 4, 2 and 3. So we can write them as 4, 2 and 3. So you can see at least two of them we can divide by 2. So let's divide them by 2. So what do we get? 4 divided by 2, 2 times 2 is 4. And we can say, well, this is 2 times 1. And you can't divide 3, so let's write this as 3 itself. Now that gives us the lowest common multiple. So we say our LCM is equals to 2 times 2 times 3. It is 2 times 2 times 1 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So we get LCM of 12. So that is the number by which if you multiply all these terms, you will get rid of fractions, correct? So that is how we do. So let's do that part. So we'll multiply everything by 12. And let me first rewrite and show you what exactly we are doing here. So we'll do like this. It's 3x over 4. I'm leaving some space here so that I can multiply by 12 and then show you the result, x over 3, right? So this is my spread out equation and I'm multiplying by 12. So I'm doing this 12 times this, right? I'm doing 12 times this and 12 times this. Do you see? So I multiplied each and every expression on both the sides by the number 12. And you'll soon appreciate what it does. So when you do 12 divided by 4, what do you get? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you got rid of 4. And when you divide 12 by 2, you get 6. Right? Again, 2 is gone. It is 1 there. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Correct? So finally, we can write down our equation as 3 times 3x. 3 times 3x is 9x. And here we have 6 times 1, which is 6, equals to 4x. 4x. Do you see? Our equation without any fraction. Wow, we just got them all read by one number, and that was the lowest common multiple, 12, right? And I hope you appreciate the method of finding lowest common multiple. It is handy when there are big numbers involved and more than 2. Okay, so we get a linear equation in one variable which is x for us. So we would like to have variables on one side and constants on the other side. So our policy is to keep all variables on the left side and all constants on the right side. So what we don't want here is we don't want 6 here. So we'll do minus 6 on both the sides, right? I'm just showing you this step that is our next step to do. So we'll rewrite this with minus 6 on both sides. So we get 9x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 4x minus 6, correct? Now 6 minus 6 is 0, so I can write this as 9x equals to 4x minus 6, right? So what are we going to do next? Next, we are going to write variables on one side. We don't want variables on the right, we want them on the left. So we will do minus 4x to get rid of 4x from the right. Minus 4x, correct? So let me rewrite this once here and then solve it further. So I'm taking it on this side. So we have 9x minus 4x, you see, equals to 4x minus 6 minus 4x. So what is 9x minus 4x? It is 5x. We get 5x equals to 4x minus 4x is 0. So we are left with minus 6. Minus 6 here. Now to find x, we need to divide by 5 both sides. We'll rewrite 5x equals to minus 6 and we'll divide both sides by 5. And so we get x equals to minus 6 over 5. So that is our solution to the given equation, correct? So these are simple steps to follow, and we have many more examples to come. I'll appreciate if you copy the question, do them yourself first, and then look into my solution. That will be great. Enjoy the journey of solving algebraic equations with fractions with me. Thank you.